Thank you for your interest in radon testing. In this video, I will be showing you how to utilize the detector in front of you to help deliver an accurate test. When you first open the box, you will be faced with the Airthings Corentium Home Digital Radon Detector. You will notice that the monitor will either display numbers, like this, or dashes, like this. This is because the device constantly reads the air to deliver results. So what you will need to do is reset the device to start your test. On the back of the detector are two little buttons that are labeled Reset and Mode. Simply press the Reset button and the monitor will start a new test. It is important to note that when you press this button, it erases the information previously gathered, so be wary of accidentally or prematurely pressing it. The Mode button relates to a long-term average test, which is tested over 90 days or more. For your short-term test, it won't be of much use to you. On your screen, you will now notice two lines of flashing dashes. This indicates that the test is now running, and the detector is now gathering information. In 6 to 24 hours, it will start displaying both long-term and short-term radon averages. The longer the test sits, the more accurate the results will become. When placing the detector, it is best to find a space that represents your normal breathing air. So placing it in a living area, like a bedroom or a living room, is preferred. It should be placed out of direct sunlight or moisture and at least 2 feet off the ground and at least 5 feet away from the nearest door, window, or air vent. It is also important not to move the detector during the test. When choosing your location, one should avoid setting the detector directly on natural stone, as that can falsely raise your reading, resulting in an inaccurate average. As your averages show up, they will be displayed in a unit called picocuries per liter, or PCI/L. The lower the number, the better. If the number is 4.0 picocuries per liter or higher, the EPA recommends that you have a licensed radon mitigation contractor install a system to help lower the results.